Uba Alexander L. Heck, Waynik Noyalam Rangba, Kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party, Meghalaya, Haka Khatway Trick Uyayong, Kasngi Baga BJP, Karaki, Galinko, Basau Punyo Snem, Balaseng Yaka, Haka Jinkren, Haki Dkhot, Bat Kinong Krishan Jong Kani Kaseng, Kyntu Yabaro, Bansei Borba. Bantrei do im do yap ban penpur perta bat kesam ya ke kerteng jong keseng syaki kendong kencrot jong kejela kenang bagi pat ba kin ai ke jingkershan ban poi syaka thong jingjop ha ke election MDC ha Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC bat ha ke election MP Shiteng Samoy ha ki lum khasi jantia ha ke ni kesngi la samru iki buskit ha ki nong job ha ke jingkop inter college debate Hakaway pat kalyang unong ay ktin ke BJP uba M khar krang loong ke Sarkar India klashim kia bha ya ke jingrung tu jing kibreu ne kiway pat kiri de kilat jingeda ki Pynkhlain ula krishan ban penlong ya ke special intensive revision ya ki electoral roll ban yo wengno ya ki nong tap vote ki bamde ki nong shangshnong jong ka jela ba jong kari India Uloong ka special intensive revision kan khanglat ikinong way ban besut ha ka thup kerteng jong kinong tap vote ha ki election jong kari. Halor ka election ha Assam uba khar krang ula penpau ka jingkermen ba ka BJP kan yo biang ya ka jingjok ban sanchar sa sansnem ha kani ka jella.
Taken by the national BJP and also the state BJP to celebrate the 47th production day of the BJP. We have completed 47 years and we have so many years ahead to strengthen the party organization. That is, it is depend on every individual and all the party Karyakata to take the responsibility to ensure that we are going to every nook or corner of the state and take the flags of the BJP to ensure to invite all the people to join the BJP party. Today I'm very happy also to know that we look like the alumni. All the many old BJP Karyakata, they are assembled here today. So it's like the BJP Meghalaya Alumni Day. I am also very immensely impressed for organizing the seminar and the extempo speech to all the different colleges have been participating in this program. I congratulate to each one of you who are present here today, and also all the winners who are going to be receiving the awards or the prize, whatever prize this is given by the state party. And also we have also the program for the great sport personality who are excel in their different fields in the sport activities. I congratulate them also, and the party today they are going to honor them, to felicitate them, and congratulations to each one of you. So we all here are the party Karyakata. Maybe I am MLA, Basango is a minister, or president, or the general secretary, or the spokesperson, but we are all the Karyakata. It is our responsibility to ensure that we will be organizing the party and strengthen, and keeping in mind this upcoming GHADC election also, and also the MP by-election also at the same time for the Shillong parliamentary seats. We have to keep in mind to ensure that how we are going to fight for this two immediate election which is just upcoming in our mind a few days ahead. So I will not take much of your time, but I like to just to share with all of you, whether you like it, you not like it, but I will tell you. You like it or you don't like it, I want to repeat this also. There is the amendment of FCRA bills, which I've already written to the Honorable Prime Minister. We should, as much as possible, we have to take all the stakeholders together before we implement the bill of FCRA. Thank you very much and God bless you all.
who has a wide vision for our people of Meghalaya. So I would like to request Bahe to hand over the award to the grandson of Mr. late Martin N. Majau, Shri Khuborkhasi. Please come on and receive. Community who had contributed so much to this society, and hope he being in our party will also uplift our party in and around Jaintia Hills in regards to the Nakadong.
From one of our senior leaders, that is our MLA Bahek, he has written to the government, and including all the BJP senior leaders also, that before they decide anything on the FCRA, they have requested that the government take everyone to consultation first. All the stakeholders now will be affected by whatever amendment can take place, and the government has put the bill on hold, and we expect that the government of India will take due action only after consultations with all the stakeholders. So that is the stand right now, is that the proposal for the amendment has been put on hold. I've said it earlier and I'll say it again. As a party, we would like to contest all the elections. In fact, in the earlier elections, 2009, 2024 also we were ready to contest. But of course, we got direction that we should support our partners. And this time also we are ready. And in fact, we have already had almost around 5 to 6 aspiring candidates. And we hope that the central leadership takes a decision that we should contest elections. And once we contest elections, and I'm very sure that you'll see the vote share of the BJP increase substantially this time.
So what is in favor of Cabinet Minister Sanbur Shulai?
No, whoever that the party will decide. Right now I cannot say. Let the party decide, but whoever candidate comes up, it will be a candidate acceptable to all. And I'm very sure whoever stands, whichever candidate who contests this election from the BJP candidate, as a BJP candidate, will see a substantial increase in the vote share of the party.
Will you be appealing to the MDA partners to support your candidature?
We will ask everyone to support our candidate.
Concerned about it, about Garovis especially.
See, influx has been there, and it is only now that we see the central government, taking a very serious stand about it. Subsequent governments in the past have not taken any action. It is only after the BJP came to power that they took this illegal influx as a very serious issue that has to be attended to without any delay. And the SIR is one of the ways and means how to, how to identify these illegal immigrants who have come over to our country and to our state in particular. So, now the government is all out to ensure that this has to come to a stop at one point or the other.